Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Workday for task automation setup step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Workday login page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Click on the Next button to proceed. Input your password in the password entry box. Click on the Sign In button to access your Workday account. Once logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type Task Automation into the search bar and press Enter. Select the option labeled Task Automation Setup from the search results. On the Task Automation Setup page, click on the Create New Automation button. Fill in the required fields, including the name and description of your automation. Specify the tasks you wish to automate from the drop-down menu. Select the frequency of the automation from available options. Review your selections to ensure accuracy and completeness. Click on the Save button to store your automation settings. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that your task automation has been created successfully. To make any changes, return to the Task Automation Setup page. Locate your newly created automation in the list. Click on the Edit icon next to your automation for any modifications. Once completed, remember to save any changes you've made. You are now set up with task automation in Workday. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.